Hi guys, welcome back. Just another quick video today. Received another parcel in the post yesterday, and this one is from Steve over at Digwell Greenfingers, and he's been kind enough to send me another condor seed potato, so thank you very much for that, Steve. I'll put that with the others. And he's also sent a single seed potato for Single Seed Potato Challenge 2022, and the point of this challenge is just for fun, to try and get the maximum yield from a single seed potato, and it's hosted by Steve over at Digwell Greenfingers. If you want to head on over to his channel to check them out, all the single seed potato challenge videos will be on his channel, and all we have to do is add hashtag SSP Challenge 2022 into the title or description of the video, and try and get as much from a single seed as we can. I think last year Ronald Shaw won it, and he got unbelievable amount from a single seed. So plan is to place this on the window to chit it. I think there's 4 or 5 chits on this potato, so I'll cut it into as many pieces as I can, plant them into 30 litre buckets, and see how well we do. So thank you very much for them, Steve, and I'll do another video of me planting it and one of the harvest, and probably a couple in between. So there's my label. I'll keep this separate from all the other ones and see how we get on. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you could head on over to Steve's channel, that'd be brilliant. I'll put the link to his channel in the description and in the comments below.